It seems like there are a lot of Hispanic and Asian couple these days. I picked up several over the past few days. Personally, my wife is from Colombia and I'm Korean myself. So, well, we are that couple, Hispanic and Asian couple. But the other day I picked up this guy who is Guatemalan. Well, in the beginning, I thought that this guy was Asian because he looked like a Asian, maybe somewhat indigenous. I mean, I don't want to offend anybody, but he looked more, Filipino or something. But yeah, so, but turned out that he was Guatemalan, and he told me his wife is from China. When I told him, that my wife is from Colombia. Well, anyway, and then I picked up another couple. I mean, it wasn't couple, but yeah, I picked up this Filipino nurse, and her husband is Colombian. So yeah, I guess I see more and more Asian and Hispanic couples.